Okay, so we're back. It's the morning. I've taken my dough out of the fridge. It's cold proofed overnight. And this is what it looks like. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna bake it. So I have a piece of parchment paper already on my countertop. I'm just gonna take a teaspoon or so of all-purpose flour and just kind of sprinkle it lightly and spread it out over the bottom. And then I like to just flip my bowl upside down. Might take a couple of seconds for it to fall onto the parchment. There we go. You can kind of help it. And then I take another teaspoon or so of more flour and just sprinkle it over the top. You kind of just want to cover the entire surface with flour, with a very thin layer of flour. And this sort of just helps it sticking to the parchment or to the pot when it's baking. Okay. Well, I have this special razor. It's meant just for scoring bread. And I'm gonna just do a simple design on the top, and this allows for any steam to escape while baking. So I'll just do, maybe I'll do a tree. I'll do a couple of trees, 3 trees. Okay, so I have my oven preheated to 450 degrees. I'm going to take the pot out with some oven mitts because it's going to be very hot. It's really important to preheat your enamel cast iron pot as well. So when I turn on the oven, I put my enamel pot in so that it's preheating with the oven. So technically the pot should also be at 450 degrees. So it's very hot. I'm going to take it out. Carefully, I'm going to take my dough and just put it in the pot, like so. Put the lid back on, and what you're going to do is you're going to bake it with the lid on for 30 minutes, and then after 30 minutes, take the lid off, and then bake it for another 15 minutes uncovered. And then that is pretty much it. And I'll see you when it comes out of the oven.